time for me to change my wiper blades on my BMW 1 Series. I picked up the Bosch Aero Twins. I've got the AP18U and the AP22U, but obviously check the wiper blades you need for your car. It's an absolute crime when Halfords charge something like £3–4 per wiper blade to change when they're super easy. My 1 Series is a 2013, and if you go to lift the wiper blades up, it does miss the paintwork. Now, I have seen on some videos where the arm for the wiper blades is slightly tucked under and actually hits the bonnet. I'm going to show you how to put the wiper blade into like service mode so you don't do that. Push the power button once, push it again, and now push and hold the wiper function up for 5 seconds, and there we go. You don't have to do that step, it can get to the arms without hitting the bonnet. When you open up the wiper blade from the pack, then you actually get a few different assortment of attachments for different cars. On the pack it tells me I need number 2, which is going to be this first one here, so we can discard the rest. That's hard to do because obviously the wiper blade is curved, but you see the little arrow there, so marry it up with that arrow and you're going to place it on the side. I recommend doing one arm at a time because there is a spring at the bottom, so if it does go down you can potentially crack your windscreen. To remove the old wiper blade, you've got these little pinch points either side. You're going to pinch that and rotate in towards the car, and it just lifts up. So the top of the new blade is going to hook onto this bit, and then the 2 pinch arms are just going to slot into there. Here a little click, give it a check, give it a tug. Good to go, move on to the next one. So I've already installed the hardware onto this next one. Exactly the same, pinch, rotate, lift up, angle down, pinch in, sits in. And now the rear is slightly different because there is no attachment, but there is a flat edge and a curved edge. And that corresponds to the curved edge is going to be on the right hand side, and then the flat edge is going to be inside towards the BMW badge. Lift up your arm, twist it out, and you're going to over rotate it. And that's it, simple as that, comes out. Remember, curved edge on the right hand side. This bar is going to seat into the middle section. Slide it through, slot it in. And that's it, all 3 wiper blades changed, saved ourselves about £12 instead of going to Halfords, and we're good to go. Right, it's cold, I'm going inside, subscribe.